Top 5 video editing apps for effortless YouTube Shorts creation.
Looking to create captivating YouTube Shorts right from your phone? Discover the best mobile video editing apps that save you time, offer creative flexibility, and are perfect for quickly producing short-form content. Here are the top 5 apps that make Shorts editing fun and simple, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator.
1. CapCut.
CapCut stands out for its user-friendly design and powerful features. It offers intuitive tools like auto captions, music library effects, and a vast range of templates tailored for Shorts. The drag-and-drop interface makes trimming, splitting, and adding transitions quick and easy, letting you edit professional-looking videos on the go. No advanced skills required.
2. InShot.
This InShot is known for its simplicity and versatility, making it popular among creators. It supports various aspect ratios, including the vertical format ideal for Shorts, and features music, filters, and easy text overlays. With precise cutting tools, speed controls, and an engaging sticker collection, InShot is perfect for personalizing your videos in just a few taps.
3. Adobe Premiere Rush.
The Adobe Premiere Rush brings professional-level editing to your fingertips. Its streamlined interface is geared toward quick video creation, offering color correction, advanced audio editing, and motion graphics. Cloud syncing lets you start editing on your phone and continue on your desktop, adding flexibility for creators who want more control without complexity.
4. VN Video Editor.
VN Video Editor is a robust free app favored by creators for its extensive features without a watermark. It provides multi-layer editing, keyframe animation, and customizable transitions. The app's timeline layout makes controlling clips and effects easy, while built-in templates and filters help you produce unique Shorts swiftly and efficiently.
5. KineMaster.
KineMaster offers a comprehensive suite of editing tools perfect for polished Shorts. It includes layer-based editing, chroma key for green screen effects, and real-time audio recording. The asset store features royalty-free music, fonts, and graphics, allowing creators to enhance their videos creatively while maintaining a straightforward editing process.
Choosing the right app for you.
The best video editing app depends on your goals and preferences. CapCut and InShot are ideal for fast editing and fun effects, while Premiere Rush and VN Video Editor offer more control for advanced users. KineMaster excels in creative enhancements. Experiment to find the app that fits your style and makes YouTube Shorts creation effortless.